A cooperation agreement was signed during the meeting held yesterday between Deputy Minister of Defense of Lithuania Vilius Semeska and President of Defense Industry Ismail Demir. According to this agreement, it was planned to buy Bayraktar TB2 with the money collected from the campaign launched by the Lithuanian people to help Ukraine. In this context, the people of Lithuania collected €6 million worth of donations for Ukraine in 3 days. Deputy Minister of Defense of Lithuania Vilius Semeska visited BAYKAR for the Bayraktar TB2 donation to Ukraine. In the statement made on the official Twitter account of BAYKAR, we learned from the Deputy Minister of Defense Vilius Semeska that the sensitive campaign of the Lithuanian people has been successfully completed. We will provide 1 Bayraktar TB2 to Lithuania. We request that all the donations collected be sent by Lithuania as humanitarian aid to Ukraine, expressions were used. Upon this, Lithuanian Defense Minister Arvydas Anušauskas made a statement on his official Twitter account: "This is incredible. Turkey Bayraktar gives free of charge. This is great. With the money collected, we will buy the necessary ammunition for Bayraktar and send the remaining money to Ukraine for support. Thank you, Turkey."